It's usually during cleanup that you find the interesting things like brand ID marks and part numbers, casting flaws and stuff like that, and that held true in this case as well. Identified this brand. If you look real close right here, you can make out an H, an I, and an F, and maybe a C, but that looks like it says Chief. And over here you can see an I and an A and an N. So this is without a doubt an Indian Chief, and it's a 50-pound vise. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a 5 and an O. It's also been double struck on the brand mark. You can see where the Chief was double struck. I actually found quite a few things on this vise that will make it. I'm actually a little bit unimpressed with the way it was manufactured. There was a lot of flaws. It looks like some of the hot cuts that they made, you know, they could have cleaned those up. I did, however, notice that the lead screw is in pretty good shape. A lot of these old vices, they have a lot of wear, you know, right in here. This is where you usually get the most dirt and grime in your nut, and therefore that's where you get the most wear. So the nut and the lead screw on this are in really good shape. That's a pleasant surprise. Another thing about these flanges is I noticed the manufacturer left all the slag on, and however old this vise is, that's how long it's been like that. But there's still some slag on the inside that I really couldn't get out, or it wasn't worth getting out. I got most of it off, but there was a lot of welding slag still on here. You would think that that would be cleaned off in the manufacturing process, but I don't think they devoted a whole lot of time to grinding off sharp edges or cleaning off slag. It's a great vise, and it's probably worlds better than what you'd buy today, but I'm willing to bet in its time it was probably a cheaper vise. But I love it. It's great like it is. I'm not going to take off any of these factory flaws. I'm going to leave them all there. So I'm using raw linseed oil, and what's kind of neat about it is the linseed the linseed oil that I'm using is very old. I mean, I don't really know how old this is, but it looks like it's from the 60s maybe. It looks pretty old. I'm assuming linseed oil has no expiration date. It looks fine. Smells like linseed oil. Let's see if it behaves like linseed oil.